The Michigan COVID Memorial has become a special place for people grieving the loss of loved ones at the hands of the virus. A wall display with the names of hundreds of victims is up at the Lansing Mall, but not for long. Shamir Owens is here for you now and shows us that organizers are looking for a permanent home.
Organizers say this memorial not only represents a place of love and support, but also healing, as the names of 360 lives lost due to COVID-19 are listed on these yellow hearts that now have to come down.
We weren't allowed to grieve during COVID the way you normally do when you lose someone. The funeral services, the gatherings of people, you couldn't do it. And so we knew we were struggling. And the way to turn it around, I think, was for us to try to help others.
One of the names on the wall is Laura Canfield's son, Freddie. He lost his battle with COVID-19 in 2020. Freddie is just one of the 40,000 people who died from COVID in the state.
This would be something that Freddie would be proud to have done.
His mother says it was hard not being by his side, and that experience inspired her, Freddie's wife Cheryl, and her other son George to put together the Michigan COVID Memorial. But now the group says they need to find a more permanent location.
To keep this memory for families, for us, we really want to find somewhere that can house the hearts permanently while we're in the process of also building this permanent memorial. They weren't numbers. They weren't just statistics that happened during COVID. These are actual lives of loved ones lost.
If anyone has a place, like she said, a museum, a library, somewhere that people can come in and visit this and keep this as a history of something that happened.
Organizers say they have until January 15 to remove the memorial and are working with the city to find a more permanent location so that they can hold on to the memory of the lives of those they cherish so deeply. Here for you in Lansing, Shamir Owens, 6 News.
Thank you for that, Shamir. In other